Hello traders, the title of the video is the theory of Elliott wave theory simplified. Okay, so traders that have been following us for some time knows that I always say that we must separate the reality of the market from the Elliott wave theory. So the reality of the market is not always what we have learned in the classroom, talking about the Elliott wave price structures, especially the internal wave. I'm recording this video today to help traders to move forward. Sometimes you may be stuck because of the Elliott wave theory itself. Alright, so you are looking at the internal wave, you are counting wave, and you are saying, no, this is not flat correlation, this is not a WSY, this is not a triangle, this is not ABCDE, this is not a zigzag pattern, and sometimes traders get stuck and they don't know what to do. All right, so we want to simplify the theory of the Elliott wave theory. All right. So as I said before, the objective of our channel is to simplify the Elliott wave theory without diluting it. All right. So to simplify the theory of the Elliott wave theory, I have drawn on my chart here. So this is a trending file. So price goes out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for many years. Is a trending file. Okay. Then the price came down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to this point. It's put there. Then it goes up again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to this point here. And then it came down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. So tell me which corrective wave pattern we have here. So it's 5, 5, 5. Do we have 5, 5, 5? We have a 5, 5. We have a. Do we have 5, 5, 5? We have 3, 5 times. Okay, so which Elliott wave pattern is this one? So that's where sometimes traders get stuck. So they count the internal wave, they draw it, they say, well, looking at the internal wave, this is what we see. Which pattern is this one? The theory did not talk about this, and they don't know what to do. The good news is that we can unstuck ourselves, all right? We can free ourselves from those problems by simplifying the Elliott wave theory. How? The Elliott wave theory is about two things: corrective wave and impulse wave. So we'll ask the question, is it corrective wave? Is it, all right, an impulse wave? So today we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a corrective wave because there was no Elliott wave violation. Well, you have a trending phase followed by another, you have an impulse wave followed by another impulse wave. It doesn't happen in the market like that. You don't have an impulse wave after an impulse wave. So it's just an impulse wave up, yes or no? Then we have a correction. So this one cannot be an impulse wave, though it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I'm going to break. So for some traders, they may think that this is another useless video, but maybe later on they will understand. All right, it's okay. Now, I'm going to take the example of the flat correction. So what is the most important thing of the flat correction? So the flat correction usually takes place after a strong bullish move or a strong bearish move. So that's why we say flat. People are not willing to come out. It's flat correction, okay? So the structure, according to the Elliott wave theory, is 3, 3, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But what is the most important part of that flat correction is the double retracement. The double retracement. So after the trending fell, price goes down 1, 2, 3, correcting this move down, and then it goes up again 1, 2, 3. But this is the most important part of the flat correction, the double retracement. All right. What is the most important part of the ABCDE triangle? Is the triangle itself. All right. Is the triangle itself. What's the most important thing of the zigzag pattern? Is the shape of the zigzag itself. Is it like this? Is it like this? Does it look like a zigzag? Can you ask a child whether is this a zigzag? It's a zigzag. So whether you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the most important, though, this is not the structure of a zigzag, talking about the internal way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the theory, yes or no? But here you are, you got 10 here, you got 3 here, and you got 8 here. Are you going to discount that it's a zigzag, that it has the shape of a zigzag? So the most important thing of a zigzag is the shape of the zigzag itself, yes or no? And this is a corrective wave. So it will follow an impulse wave. Corrective wave follows impulse wave. That's how we know that it's a corrective wave. All right? So what we are doing here is a bit of exercise, practice to simplify the theory of the Elliott wave theory when we are trying to apply the Elliott wave theory to the letter. So we say, all right, I've done law at school, it's by the book. All right, free, Joe. This one is 5. Oh, this one also is 5. This is not a flat correction. This is again 5. We have a double retracement. And the price stop at 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of this one. It's an expanded flat correction. So why is it now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? It's because of the human being, the attitude. So you can impose the theory to everybody and say, once you have done 3, you must stop. You shouldn't bring the price down more. And then go up 1, 2, 3, and everybody stop. Like a dancing class, a class that we are learning to dance. It's 1, 2, 3 forward, 1, 2, 3 back, and then 1, 2, 3 5. It's not, all right, dancing. So the price can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What are you going to do about that? Nothing. So, to simplify the theory of the Elliott wave theory, you want to think of what? Is it a corrective wave? If it's a corrective wave, what is the most important thing of that corrective wave for a flat correction is the double retracement. The price does not have to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sometimes you can bring it down. What are you going to say? You're going to say it's not a flat correction because you did not see your orderly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. But the price stop at 200% Fibonacci extension level of the A part of the flat correction after giving you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, telling you that I'm the price, the number 1 indicator. What are you going to do about it? So bringing us again to this topic that we have discussed before, that when the Elliott wave is not making sense, we will refer to the price action, yes or no. All right, so there were questions posted recently. Those questions are very important questions, and I've been through it myself. And when traders, okay, myself, I'm wondering, I say, well, oh, that's not what the theory said, George. And I'm thinking, what should I do now? But the way my mind functions, then I start thinking, how do I simplify that to avoid confusion? That's the most important thing for me. Then I say, well, for the flat correction, the double retracement is the most important thing. For the zigzag, is the shape of the zigzag. Why sometimes the price does not do it as the theory said? Well, because of the human beings. All right, human beings are difficult to control. They are not robots. They won't do the same thing all the time. All right. So I say, what is the most important thing about a triangle? Why sometimes the price after 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, it doesn't go up straight away and continue to oscillate in a triangle. Then I discovered that it's not the structure within the triangle that's the most important thing for the ABCDE triangle is the triangle itself. So I have one example here. Let's go through it. So this is good for new traders, especially you are learning the theory, and you try to put it into use. Now you come across all kind of blah, 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 and you get a bit confused. You are wondering, George, well, this Elliott wave mambo jumbo doesn't make any sense at all. So simplify it. Is he a corrective wave? Is he an impulse wave? All right. What is he correcting? Impulse wave are followed by corrective wave, all right? So and so on and so on. Simplify it. So here we have a trending fair has ended here. Price came down. One move, down. Not even 1, 2, 3. You go to the lower time frame, you go everywhere, you don't see 1, 2, 3. It's just one move down, clean and neat. And then it went up, one move again. All right. Then it came down, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then it went up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it came down, 1, 2, 3. But it's in a triangle, you see. So we have 1, 1, 3, 5, 3 in a triangle. Is it A, B, C, D, E? Yes, it is. Why? Because the most important thing for the A, B, C, D, E is a triangle. We are talking about a triangle. It can be ascending triangle, descending triangle, expanding triangle. It's a consolidation in a triangle. Sometimes we'll see a clear-cut neat A, B, C, D, E, free, 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 free. Then we have an edge. And if the price manage to come out of the triangle, all right, we have timed the market carefully using the A, B, C, D, E. Sometimes the price may not obey us or fulfill our expectation, continue to oscillate in the triangle, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. And you say, well, where this consolidation will end. So, is here a corrective wave? Is the correction finished? Is here a flat correction? What is the most important thing about the flat correction? Is here a zigzag pattern? What is the most important thing about the zigzag pattern? All right, what is the most important thing on W, X, Y pattern? It's the X that is connecting two corrective waves. That's it. All right. Is it a complex correction? All right. Does it look like an impulse wave, but it's a corrective wave? So it has the structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No area wave violation. Imagine a triangle. It's not an impulse wave. Oh, George, you say 5 is an impulse wave. Oh, right. What's going on here? But it's a triangle. The price is in a triangle. We don't have an impulse wave in a triangle. All corrective wave. The structure, you remember what we said before, the market pattern will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. So, same thing we say, if the price is going up, it must display high lows, high high, and it will be in a rising channel. Yes or no? This is one market pattern. Price going down must be in a declining channel, displaying lower lows, lower high in a declining channel. If it's not going up or down, it will be in a horizontal channel. The channel can be tiny, that tiny horizontal channel, or wide, that, okay, horizontal channel. All right? So those are the three market patterns. So those three market patterns allow us to make excellent decisions. The same thing for the area wave pattern. What is the most important thing about the area wave theory? It's about recognizing clearly a corrective wave and an impulse wave. Usually after an impulse wave, we have a corrective wave. Now for each corrective wave, there are structures that we must expect. For the flat correction, it's free, 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 5. But sometimes, what is the most important thing about that flat correction is the double retracement. Where does the flat correction occur? After a strong bullish trend or strong bearish trend, we usually see a flat correction. Okay, the double retracement is the most important thing for the flat correction. For the zigzag, is the shape of the zigzag. For the triangle ABCDE is the triangle itself. For the WXY is the X that is hooking or joining two corrective waves. It's a complex wave. So with that in mind, we will be able to simplify the theory of the area wave theory and move forward, unstuck ourselves. When we are stuck, we are thinking, oh, doesn't make any sense at all. The ending diagonal is in the fifth wave. Yes, it must be free, 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 free. But here we are, we say 1, 1, free, free, free. What are you going to do about it? It's in a fifth wave, it's in a triangle, it's an ending diagonal, but it's not showing the clear-cut free, free, free. What are you going to do about it? Now go to the lower time frame to investigate. Can you see the internal wave? If you can see them, great. If you can't, well, work with what you got and concentrate on the ending triangle itself more than the structure within it. I'm not saying that from today, ignore the internal wave. No, that would be wrong. Because the internal waves are giving us an edge. So you see 1, 2, 3. If it bounces now, you expect 1, 2, 3. You're expecting a flat correction. If it's taking place, you take advantage of it. So suppose you are here, you see 1, 2, 3 down, and then it bounces down 1, 2, 3. And now after the 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. But the price say no, price continue to go up. What are you going to do about it? So again, simplifying the area weight, the theory of the area weight theory, concentrate on the price action and trade the price action before anything else. So I hope you'll find this video also useful and start improving, okay, how you apply the area weight theory in the financial market. I hope I have managed to simplify the theory of the area weight theory, and most importantly, okay, I have managed to help you to start removing the confusion that usually occur when we are stuck using, okay, the area wave theory. If you have any question or suggestion, all right, put in the comment section. So this video we are recording it because of the comment and the question that they are putting below. So now we are recording those videos to answer, okay, those questions. So do not hesitate to put the comment, the question there, and in due course we will be recording another video to clarify those questions. So I'd like to thank those traders that are quite active, putting comment, and so we are very, very grateful to those traders. All right, if you find this video truly useful, personally useful, feel free to give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, mark it down. If you think this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friends on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about the theory of area wave theory, simplified. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon. Was it simplified? All right, let me know in the comment section.